Hi all, and welcome to this week's Feature of the Week video. In this video, I will be covering Naviate's Align to Path tool, and this tool comes with Naviate Accelerate. This tool allows you to place objects based on along a path that you have drawn either with a detail line or model lines. Now in plan view, you'll want to have drawn the path that you would like your element to follow, and then place the item on the path. From here, you go into Naviate Accelerate, select the Align to Path tool. Keep in mind that this tool is modeless, so when it pops up, you're still able to select items within your Revit environment. You want to go ahead and set the settings up. Once you have your settings set, go ahead and select elements. From here, you'll want to select the path as well as the item that you would want to follow along that path. And then go ahead and click on Finish. And once you click on Finish, it will place your item along the path depending on the information that you have set for the command. So thank you for watching this week's video, and I hope this was informative.